Australia, flight 164, the pattern passengers, the Botha family. You must go immediately to gate.
Final call, you have been offloaded.
Oh, really?
Didn't you just hear her say that?
I was trying to look
the
at
appearance.
LA.
It's 6 a.m. We were up at 4:45.
They open in 15 minutes.
We're getting on the plane. I will see you on the plane.
Do you want this one too? Or just the spices?
I love land. Hola. I wish I could speak Spanish. Shout out to all my Spanish subbies.
Everyone who started doing it.
Oh yeah, what happened? I did. I just have no follow through. Okay, we are on our flight. As you can see, do you want to say bye, Auckland? Do you want to say bye, Auckland?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We've had a really beautiful trip. We have had. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You can have that back.
Sorry?
You can have that. Thank you.
Do you want some water?
That's okay.
Try again.
Get your positioning right, Jules. Get your positioning right. Oh. Are you going to talk to them or are you just leaving it?
I'm just getting ready.
Oh, it's a speech.
No.
Get comfortable.
We had a fabulous trip.
Speak up.
We had a fabulous trip. I feel like we've been away for weeks. We were very relaxed. We did some lovely things. We walked. Did a lot of talking to people. Made a lot of friends and acquaintances.
Did you?
It was just fun being away with my girl again for her birthday week. Our special treat. That's all.
Oh,
Lovely sharing with you.
That's all.
Oh, and I'm glad you like my gelatos. That last one absolutely was the best. It was amazing.
I'll tell you something that I lied about.
What?
They love your hair spiky.
I know. I mean, how could anyone like what I look like with that flat?
They're like, Jerusha, don't change her hair. We love her hair spiky.
Absolutely.
That's your thing.
That's my thing. That's my zhuzh. That's.
Oh. Bye, guys. Home sweet home, still call Australia home. But why does it feel a certain way?
Because it's your home. That's where you're born. That's where your life is.
Right. But I don't feel like you're really picking up what I'm putting down.
Right.
I'm trying to say like you even feel like there's no place like home. I miss mushy.
I'll go and get
Everyone sits on their phones at lights. Look at this guy. Phone. We're exhausted. We're home. And exhausted. That's Mum's loan car. Because her car needs a new engine. Ta-da!
Not funny.
Oh.
Not funny joke at all. We'll see.
We'll see.
Good flight home. Very good flight home. Great airline. LATAM.
What?
LATAM. Airline. It's great.
Isn't it just LAN Airways?
No, it was LAN Airways. It's LATAM now. LATAM airline.
Alright, say bye to Jules.
Bye. I'm going home.
Hello?
Hi, mate.
Hi, mate.
Hi, mate.
Just woke up.
You just woke up, yeah.
Well, I didn't go to sleep for ages.
Why?
I was just piddling around and doing bits and pieces.
I feel like I'm back at work. I feel like I'm back in the office. The moving office. Yeah, I feel like I'm back at work. Mum and I were both saying that we felt like we were away for ages. Sometimes when you go away it feels really feels realistic to the time you're away. Sometimes it feels so long. This time it felt really long. We were like, not long as in we were going, oh, we want to go home now. We just felt like we got home and we were like, oh, we feel like we've been away for months. Months and months and months. However, the update is I'm going to pick Marcy up from kindy. We're going to go see Daddy. Hopefully he is at the restaurant tonight. And not at the cafe or the other restaurants.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Are you at the restaurant?
Yes, I was about to leave.
Can I? Look who I got. He wants to hold my hand. We have to drive now. Oh, I love you.
Ice cream.
Okay, you love ice cream. Okay, let's go see Dada. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I thought to myself, it wouldn't be Vlogtober unless this guy was on the vlog.
Welcome back.
Building a fence. Thanks, mate. You guys remember Gene?
Can't
This
forget
is
me.
one of our best mates, Gene, and he's building a fence for us.
Do you think it keeps the dance mums out though? Nope.
Hell
Can
no.
I just walk through? Go away.
Don't. Can you put a lock? I'm
am.
the craziest about it. Where? Where's Daddy? Does he
Really? Yeah. I think he's upstairs.
Ice cream?
Nothing.
Is that an ice cream cone? Sitting. It's not strawberries. It's not strawberries. It's not strawberries. Good boy. Good boy. Favorite. Yum. Got lots of stuff in your hair. Let's find out where your dad is. That's my daddy!
Oh, cool. You got an ice cream? You haven't had ice cream in 5 days.
Oh, now Mum's home. Is that what that meant? Ne, ne, ne. Ah. love soccer. I won. Hi, Viv. Oh, there's Vinny there somewhere.
Hi guys.
Hey, you. Oh.
Oh, there's so many of you.
Excuse me. I have a bone to pick with you.
Oh, yeah, you too. Okay, come here. Where's my hug?
You went downstairs. You bought the suitcase up. No, you're so cheeky. You weren't meant to look.
I didn't look in the suit.
Oh, you're such a liar. You looked in the bag.
I didn't.
There is inside now.
Lennon, we don't want to learn that, okay?
We don't want to teach him that. Lennon, Knuckles. No, don't teach him that. He'll do that to my mum. Knuckles. Mussy.
Bye, Jerusha.
Bye, see you.
Go to Uncle Vinny. You say hi, Uncle Vinny.
Okay guys, I've got one tired little man on my hands. He's nearly asleep in the back seat. And so I'm going to end the vlog here and I'm going to see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.